Let's create a pro volleyball player poster in Canva from scratch. Open Canva, choose your project size. I will choose social media, Instagram posts. Go to element, go to frames, and type here paper. Enter. Scroll down. I will use this one. I will increase the size and then fill it with the color of the theme. For example, I will choose orange and then duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin and then upload the player photo. I will upload this one and place it here. Remove the background. Insert to the frame. Double click to adjust. I will increase the size. I will place it here. Click done. Go to element again. Choose shape. I will add this one. Change the color to the same color as the background. For example, I will change the background to this light gray. And I will also change it to light gray. Increase the size. Rotate. And place it here from corner to corner. And then add the tone paper element here. Increase the size. Click on this color and change it to orange. Now flip it horizontal and rotate it. Go to edit. Scroll down to shadow and choose drop. I will reduce the blue amount and the distance. I will change the angle like this. And then I will move it here. Rotate. Now select them all. I will increase the size. Move to the top a little. And then I will add a ground element here. I will place it here. And change the color to orange. Add the player name here. Go to position, layers, and move the text behind the torn paper. And move this ground here. And then add the team name here, and the school name here, player position here, and the statistic here. So now we have it. Click share, download as PNG, click download and share to your social media or to your teams. See you next video and have fun with Canva.